Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Today I'm going to share the first video of the playlist book review, and today I'm going to give my book review of the very special book by Hal Elrod, that is The Miracle Morning. So Hal Elrod is a very special person. He has converted, transformed his adversity into something super special. So I will be sharing my 4 key learnings from his book, The Miracle Morning. So my 4 key learnings from the book are, first of all, it is his concept of lifesavers. This is an acronym, lifesaver, SAVERS. Then his concept about PIES, PIES. Then his third concept about 95% reality check. And the fourth very important concept is the success parallel. So these are the 4 beautiful concepts given by Hal Elrod in his book. So I'll be discussing the first concept, that is about lifesavers. So he talks about this acronym, SAVERS. So as per the Hal Elrod, he says that there are 6 habits, morning habits. If we follow them, then our life is going to get transformed. So the 6 habits are: S stands for silence, A stands for affirmations, V stands for visualization, E stands for exercise, R stands for reading, and S stands for scribing, or what we also known as journaling. So as per him, if we apply this principle, we apply these 6 habits in our daily life before 8 a.m. in the morning, they have the power to transform our life. So we have to go for silence, then visualization, affirmations, then exercise, then reading, then scribing, which is also known as journaling. So his second concept is about the concept of PIES, P-I-E-S. So as per the Hal Elrod, there are 4 departments in our life. First is the P is the physical part, then I is the intellectual part, and E is the emotional part, and the S is the spiritual part. So he says that if we want a life of abundance and happiness, we need to have proportionate development of all the 4 departments. By physical he means our mind. So by physical he means our body, our health, our energy. Then by intellectual he means our mind, our intelligence. So that comes in the intellectual part. Then our emotional part, it means our emotions, our feelings, our attitude, that comes in the emotional part. Then last is the spiritual, that includes our soul. Then it contains the higher supernatural power that will come in the spiritual part. So the second concept is that if we want a life of abundance and fulfillment, we need the development of all the 4 departments: physical, intellectual, emotional, and spiritual. The third concept of this beautiful book is the 95% reality check. In this book, the author gives the study of Social Security Institute, which is an independent agency of US government. तो ये कहते हैं यहाँ पे हाल एलरॉड कि अगर आप 100 पीपल को लोगे, उनकी लाइफ को फॉलो करोगे, जब उनका जॉब लग जाता है, उसके बाद उनको नेक्स्ट 40 इयर्स तक आप उनको फॉलो करेंगे, जब तक वो रिटायर हो जाएंगे. सो इफ यू फॉलो देम अप टू देयर रिटायरमेंट, तो व्हाट इज द फेट ऑफ दीज 100 पीपल? तो क्या होगा इनका? वो कहते हैं एक बंदा इसमें वेल्दी होगा, वेल्दी, 4 विल बी फाइनेंशियली secure, and he says that 5 will be working because they have to. 5 लोग काम करेंगे because उनको काम करना है. 36 will die, and 54, this is so mind blowing that कि 54% will be ऐसे जो broke होंगे, जो financially broke होंगे. They will be dependent upon their families, friends and relatives. इसका मानी हो गया आउट ऑफ द 100%, 95% विल बी फाइनेंशियली ब्रोक. वो जॉब तो कर रहे होंगे लेकिन दे विल बी स्टिल डिपेंडेंट अपॉन देयर रिलेटिव्स, फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिलीज. So he says that if you want to be among the 5%, you have to have some special habits in our life. आपने ये जो इस habit इस morning miracle morning में दिए हैं जो habits, आपने इनको अपनी life में include करना है. If you want your life not to be in that 95% days, if you want to be in that 5% lot, आपने अपने life में transformation लानी है. So that is the concept of 95% reality check. That 95% of the population lives in that financially broke वाली situation में. So fourth and important last lesson is the concept of success parallel. तो in this concept he talks about कि हमारी जो success होगी, it will never exceed our personal development. वो कहते हैं कि ये दो रास्ते जाते हैं, एक इज द सक्सेस एंड दूसरा इज द पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट. पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट मींस आवर नॉलेज, आवर एक्सपीरियंसेस, आवर एटीट्यूड. वो कहते हैं अगर आप सक्सेसफुल होना चाहते हैं, आपको पहले खुद को पर्सनली डेवलप करना पड़ेगा. ये हो नहीं सकता है कि आपने पर्सनली खुद को डेवलप नहीं किया, आपकी नॉलेज अच्छी नहीं है, आपकी नॉलेज डेवलप नहीं है तो आप सक्सेसफुल हो सकते हैं. वो कहते हैं जिस लेवल की आप सक्सेस चाहते हो उस लेवल का आपको खुद को डेवलप करना पड़ेगा. सो यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन योर पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट इफ यू वांट टू बी सक्सेसफुल. सो दीज वर माय 4 की पावरफुल लर्निंग्स फ्रॉम द बुक Miracle Morning by Hal and Rod. If you want to get the soft copy or if you want to get the hard copy of this book, I'll be sharing the link of the Amazon link in my this description. You can click that link and you can get your book from that. So I hope that you would find meaning in this video. If you find meaning, please share, subscribe, and as well as we will meet for next special videos in future. Thank you so much. Keep shining, keep progressing.